Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Anderson. Another math lesson today. One shape, two numbers. Are you ready? What shape do you think I'm going to do? Any guesses? Any predictions? It's one I can make with my fingers. It goes like this. What shape is that? It's a heart. Yes. A heart has some curves in it. It's kind of tricky sometimes. A heart, you go up and you do a curve down, up and another curve down. There's a heart. Sometimes when we see hearts, we think of love. And do you have any hearts in your house? Do we have hearts in our classroom? I know in my classroom I have a big heart on the wall. It just helps us learn the shape of a heart. What do you think you might have in your house that is in the shape of a heart? Do you have any, is there any jewelry laying around in your house that might be in the shape of a heart? Yeah. Maybe that's that. Maybe there's a picture on the wall that has a heart. I don't know. Off the top of my head, I can't think of any hearts I have laying around my house, but I bet she's got a piece of jewelry that I know for a fact she has some heart earrings and a heart necklace. So you never know. Go on a heart search in your house and see if you can find anything. See how many you can find. I want to hear all about it, okay, friends? All right, two more numbers. I'm going to review the rhymes that we do for the numbers that we've done so far. You ready? It's 0. 0 is a hero. After 0 comes 1. A straight line 1 is lots of fun. What's the number 2? Oh, number 2 is around and back on a railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Next number is 3. Do the rhyme with me. Around a tree and around a tree. That's the way you make a 3. 4. Down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Number 5, remember we said there were 2 poems. I know Mr. Ortiz does a little different poem than I do, so I'm going to do number 5 twice. Fat old 5 goes down and around, put a hat on top. Mr. Ortiz says number 5 is a ball player with a hat, make his chest and his tummy fat. Number 6, down in a hoop, 6 rolls a loop. Number 7, across the sky, down from heaven. That's the way you make a 7. Now today I'm going to do the number 8, and then I'm going to do the number 9. And then the numbers 10 and 11, 10 and 11 have 2 numbers in them. 1 and a 0 and a 1 and a 1. And we've already talked about those numbers. So you already know how to make the number 10 and the number 11, okay? But you can practice writing them. That would be awesome. Now, do you have something to write with and do you have something to write on? If you don't, you could pause and come back. Or, if you're ready, let's go, okay? 8 can be kind of tricky. 8 is very tricky. Sometimes my friends like to make the number 8 with just a circle here and a circle there. And I'm going to be honest, it does look like the number 8. But when we're in pre-K, I've got to teach you how to make it a different way, all right? So we're going to try not to do the 2 circles. What I'm going to do for the number 8 is I'm going to make an S. Yep, that's our letter. It's the letter S. We make an S. Do not wait. Climb back up to make an 8. That's how we're going to make the number 8. Yeah, does anyone have an S in their name? If you do, you're lucky because you're probably an S-making expert. So let's try and make some 8s together, okay, boys and girls? And I know it can be tricky, but the more we practice, the better we're going to be, all right? Here we go. Say the rhyme with me. It says, make an S. Do not wait. Climb back up to make an 8. 8 and gate, those 2 words rhyme. So that's how we're going to remember our poem. Let's do it again. Make an S. Do not wait. Climb back up to make an 8. That one looks silly. It has a big oval on the bottom. But that's okay. I know it's an 8. You ready? Make an S. Do not wait. Climb back up to make an 8. Good job. I bet you're doing your best, aren't you, boys and girls? Let's do 2 more. You ready? Make an S. Do not wait. Climb back up to make an 8. Let's do it again. Make an S. Do not wait. climb back up to make an 8. And I bet you did a great job, boys and girls. And if you're still having a little trouble making that S with those curves, we make a curve here and a curve backwards. And if you're having a hard time doing that, ask a big person to help you. Ask mom or dad or brother or sister. I bet they'll be able to help. The more we practice, the better you're going to learn how to do it. And I know you're going to do it because you guys are great workers. Okay, so we did the number 8. Okay, after 8 comes the number 9. Yeah. See you later, number 8. See you later. 9 is a fun one. I like number 9. You know why I like number 9? Because it's a circle and a line, okay? But the rhyme that we have for the number 9 is this. It's a balloon on a stick. 9 does the trick. Stick, trick. I heard some rhyming words in there. A balloon on a stick, 9 does the trick. Now I'm going to show you what some of my friends like to do. They like to do a circle, and then they do a stick like that. Does that look like a 9? Yeah. Some friends like to make a circle and then pick up their marker and do a line like that. When I make a 9, I don't even pick up what I'm writing with. Okay, boys and girls? So none of that. Let's practice making the 9 the right way. Are you ready? I kind of start over to the side and do my circle like this. A balloon on a stick. And do you see how my line is over here? I never picked up my marker. Let's try it again. You ready? Here we go. A balloon on a stick. 9 does the trick. Good job. Let's do it again. A balloon on a stick. 9 does the trick. 2 more times. You ready? A balloon on a stick. 9 does the trick. 1 more time. A balloon on a stick. 9 does the trick. And I think number 9 is fun because I like thinking about balloons because I think balloons are fun. Don't you? I like balloons. Okay, so there's our number 9. All right, everybody. I hope you're practicing writing your numbers and writing your shapes and finding shapes. Hey, do you have any numbers laying around your house anywhere? Maybe you could go on a number hunt too. Yeah, get our brains to grow really, really big. All right, everybody. So we've practiced all of the numbers. We've practiced writing them, okay? Practice learning their names too if you don't know them already, because we need to know the names of our numbers before we go to kindergarten. And I know you're going to get there. Okay, everybody. Have a great day, and thanks for learning with me. We'll see you later.